HSAI stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. So Hesai Group stock, I guess that's how you pronounce the name, who cares. 55% off for the day. Weekly charts, not the most interesting one. I mean, it definitely is interesting because we're definitely seeing some increases in price, which is cool. All I'm sticking to is still a strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions. With HSAI, I'll come here and I'll say one thing. After movements up like this, I've done like 32,000 videos, 4 years, and spent thousands of dollars in courses and mentorships. And this is the thing that I've learned. I mean, after like 32,000 videos, it's a lot of repetition. So I've seen what has worked for me, what has not. But with HSAI, the only thing that will make sense for me to buy is if I see a proper double break. I want to see signs of bullishness. If the price does not show me that it wants to go up, I have no business here guessing that that it's going to go up. So I will need to see it first. And that's like going to be a 5-minute thing. But if you want to learn the strategy for free, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.